Zero Junk LLC, we specialize in light demolition services that handle projects of all sizes, right here in San Jose and the surrounding areas. Whether you're clearing out a small space or tackling a larger demolition project, our experienced team ensures that everything is done quickly, safely, and efficiently. From tearing down old sheds to removing kitchen cabinets or even small buildings, no job is too big or too small for our crew. Our team is fully equipped with the right tools and expertise to handle your demolition needs. At Zero Junk, safety is our top priority. We follow strict protocols to ensure that the job is done without any damage to your property or the surrounding area. Plus, we make sure to leave the site clean and ready for your next project, so you don't have to worry about a thing. If you're in the San Jose area and need reliable demolition services, trust the experts at Zero Junk LLC. Contact us today for a free estimate, and let us handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on what's next. With Zero Junk, your project is in safe hands.